Welcome to this channel. Today we are going to explore Hassan District, Karnataka State, where stone speaks and nature sings. Before we go into the video, please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Now we go into the video. Hassan District serves as the cultural and architectural heart of Karnataka, renowned primarily for being the seat of the Hoysala Empire. It offers a unique sensory experience where the intricate speech of stone carvings in ancient temples complements the song of the wind through coffee plantations and the Malnad Hills. The district is situated in the southwestern part of Karnataka, nestled between the Deccan Plateau and the Western Ghats. It is strategically bordered by Chikmagalur to the north, Tumkur to the east, Mandya and Mysore to the south, and Kadagu and Dachina Kannada to the west. Hassan's history is dominated by the Hoysala dynasty, which ruled the region between the 11th and 14th centuries and established their capitals at Belur and Halibedu. Additionally, Sravanabelagola marks the district's ancient importance to Jainism, dating back to the Mauryan era when Chandragupta Maurya is said to have migrated there. The district enjoys a tropical highland climate characterized by pleasant weather for most of the year. While the plains are warm, the Malnad region, Saklespur, receives heavy rainfall during the monsoon, June to September, and remains cool and misty with average temperature ranging from 15 degrees C to 30 degrees C. Hassan does not currently have a fully operational commercial airport, with travelers typically using Bangalore, Mangaluru and Mysuru, while National Highway 75 NH75 provides excellent road connectivity across the state. The district has a population of approximately 1.7 to 1.8 million people,